Twitch! She wants to kiss me.
What?
Smoochy, smoochy, little poochie.
Hey, buddy, she's got the hots for you.
That's not the hot. She's got the evil, deadly bird flu fever.
I do not. I'm just bugging him. Get it? No, it's my allergies. Achoo!
Ugh.
Come here.
Smash.
Hey, if she's got the bird flu, buddy, the upside is...
A global pandemic.
Oh, we'll destroy half the world's human population, and we'll save dear Mother Earth from mankind's overconsumption of resources.
Yeah, that's hilarious.
Give me here.
Twitch? Smash? Oh, I want to help destroy the humans too.